Hoffer from Leisure Solar, and today we wanted to talk about battery monitors. We have a battery monitor here from Thornwave Labs that we've used for many years. We love it. It's called the BT DCPM. What a battery monitor does is it keeps complete track of everything going on in your battery, including exact state of charge. And this particular Thornwave battery monitor, which is made in North Carolina, actually comes with a free app that you can download for your Android or your iPhone. And that's the way we've used it for years. But we've had several customers ask us and Thornwave if they could have a display permanently mounted on the wall. And so what Thornwave has done is sent us one of their prototype displays, touchscreen displays specifically designed for this battery monitor. And what we're going to do today is we're going to hook it up, try it out. Now, we happen to have a 15-volt power supply handy here, so we're going to plug the display into that, and it should just power up. There it goes. And here's our opening welcome screen. Let's set up your PowerMon display. Connect the device. Tap and hold anywhere. So we're going to tap and hold this. Oh, there's our setup screen. We're going to add one of these PowerMon monitors. There it goes. As simple as that. We plugged it in. We selected our power monitor, and now we have a nice display. Now on this display, we've got a graphical display of the important parameters on our battery. Right here is the primary voltage on the battery, which is 13.3 volts. We got a lithium battery in this system. We have a second voltmeter here, which is really handy for a motorhome. Monitors your engine battery. We're not using it today. This is the amps in and out of the battery. When it's negative amps, it's pulling out of the battery. When it's positive amps, it's putting charge into the battery. And this is watts, which is just volts times amps. Over here is a very accurate representation of the state of charge of our battery. And this is what we really want to know on a battery. Always want to keep track of the state of charge of your battery. Now, what we're going to do at this time is we're going to go ahead and turn on a big load to this battery. We're going to pull 100 amps or something out of it so we can see what this display does. So I'm going to turn on our power station, which is connected to the power monitor. I'm going to turn on a heat gun. So now with our heat gun running off of our inverter and our battery, you can see we're pulling over 100 amps out of this battery, and our display is accurately reflecting that. Also, notice that the runtime remaining showed up right here. And the runtime remaining, it knows the size of your battery because we told it that, and it knows how much charge is left in the battery and can calculate when you're going to run out of battery power based on how much you're currently using. So we can run this heat gun for 1 hour and 4 minutes. Notice that our heat gun is pulling over 1,500 watts out of this battery. And actually we have a 1,500 watt inverter on this system, so that's pretty good that our 1,500 watt inverter will actually give us more than 1,500 watts for an extended period of time. So all of this makes really easy to keep track of your battery. So if the Thornwave battery monitor comes with a free app for your phone or your tablet, why do I need to put this display on there? Well, there's a couple of good reasons I can think of. One, you could mount this display, say, in the kitchen, and whenever you're in your RV, you would have an easy visual indication of what your battery's doing. But suppose you go and you climb in bed. Oh, forgot to check if I had enough battery power to get through the night. You can pull your phone out and still hook up to the PowerMon and get the full data set on your phone. So this display provides, the advantage of having it right on the wall. You don't have to pull your phone out. Or maybe you're one of those people that has a flip phone, and the display makes it really easy to do that. More importantly to me, the display is a very low power display. It only draws 28 milliamps. Whereas if you've got your phone on or your tablet, it's going to be drawing a lot more power. So this is a very low power option for keeping track of your battery. So overall, we really like this display. It's simple to install. It gives us all the information we need. The touchscreen works fantastically. It really, this first pass of a prototype seems really well. If Thornwave Labs will maybe just add a surface mount bezel so I don't have to actually cut the hole in the wall to mount it, that I find would be an improvement to it, but I like the display so far. Thanks for watching.